In this video, I will discuss about the layout of the ETABS. So in the ETABS, that's the top bar, which is a menu bar, that is the standard toolbar, and on the left side that is a draw toolbar, and there is a down, there is also one toolbar, that is a I can check, that is a select toolbar. So here if I uncheck, that will appear. So here, so I can also enter more toolbars according to my requirement. Here is a model explorer. So all the settings, for example, material property, section property, are present in this model explorer. You can also see display results of analysis results in tabular form, in report form. ETABS generate a very good report for their users, so that they can study in detail. So last one is the detailing. If I generate the detailing by this software, then all these properties will appear here. So for example, at the startup in the model, so for example, here is a project information, project and design preferences, structure type, stories. In the properties, for example, what concrete is used, what column size is, so all these settings. For example, material, so here is a 4000 material is used, frame sections, concrete column. For example, I can click modify and see what is the column concrete strength is 4000 psi. So all these settings, I mean to say, is present in the model explorer. So here file for the opening of new model, saving new model, saving working model. So all these settings, import, export, all these settings are present here. Your project information from the start, you can enter the project information, client name, company name, revision number, all these settings, who is designing, you can enter. So when you enter, at the end when you generate the report, these all settings will appear at their places. Second one is edit. If you want to edit any grid story data, member, so all these things are present here. View, you are want to see, for example, here is axis appearing, I do not want to see, that will go. Then if I want to come back the axis, here I'll just click, the axis will come back. Define materials, load patterns, load combinations, all these settings are present in the define for the according to the definition. Draw, so if I want to create a slab, beams, columns, edit, so all these settings are present here, walls, etc. Select, a small select toolbar is also here, and the major, that one is present here. Assign, if I want to, for example, boundary condition, spring constants, all these settings are also present here. Okay, then the next is analyze tab. There is also present in the standard toolbar. Run bar, that is also present in the analyze toolbar. For the checking model, for example, if I click here and select all, how much accuracy I want, I will just click OK. It will check the whole model. If any ambiguity or wrong modelings appear, then all the errors will appear here. Now it is saying model has been checked, no warning messages were generated. Display all the display results, for example, shear forces, bending moments, axial forces, all these values will also appear here. And if you want to some more results about the slab stresses, all present here, deformation, etc. Design, when you are going to design, then you will definitely go in the design tab for the design of steel structures, concrete structures, composite sections, slab designs, and there is also a new option, steel connection design, for ETABS, for latest ETABS. Here is a detailing. And for example, when you are going to detail, then it will ask what sheet size you are using, what units are you using, rebar selection rules means for columns what bar you prefer, for beams what bar you prefer, all these settings are appear. After selection you will create. Definitely this option will come after analyze, after design, then detailing. Options. So for example, setting of the tabs are present here. For example, I have just told you, you can save the unit system. For example, for this model, I have used unit system. Here is a fit metric metering, sorry. So now you can see all the units have been changed to metric, and I have defined the section properties, material properties. So if I want to save my all these settings, I can save in the options. Here is a save user default setting. Now these settings will become the default settings. Graphics, tolerances, for example, all these things are pairing 7 point with 4 decimals, so you can all things change here. Here is a tools. ETABS also offer different plugins. If you have, you can use here option. Here is a ETABS help, that is a very good. You can study, and even the documentations, there are much more information is given. For example, in the concrete frame design, for example ACA 314, when I double click, it will show me the design manual for the concrete. For example, if I am facing any unit understanding, any symbol issue of understanding, so I can consult the manuals. So that's all about the layout of the ETABS. Thanks. So last one, that is the model windows in where we work. So you can also create multiple windows. Just default windows are 2, that's the plan, that's the 3D window. You can adjust according to your requirements. So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.